Hey there, it's Jenny McGarvey, and I have something so exciting to share with you. This is the brand new review journal by Everyday Explorers, and it is inspired by my book journal. That's right. So if you have seen my book journal at all, you know the inside layout that I draw with the pen. This book already has that layout. And then we also included a 3x4 stamp set, and you can purchase the book and the stamp set as a bundle. And the stamp set was designed to work for a whole lot of different things. So, books, movies, podcasts, albums, restaurants, recipes, all kinds of different things that you might want to keep track of in an analog way. So, I am now using this review journal as a book journal. Now, I'm a little behind in sharing this with you. This was released on Friday, May 23rd, and it sold out midday on the 24th of May. So, as I am recording this, it is a pre-order situation. So, yes, mid-June, a new version will be out. I have a link below. I would love it if you would use my affiliate link. And yeah, so let's start using this book journal. So, the overall idea will stay the same for how I have been doing this. I will still be including the covers. I will still be including the icon stamps and my basic thoughts about it. What will be different is that instead of putting where I got the book from, I will be including when I finished the book. And I am loving that because that's really kind of what I wanted to always include was the dates, but I didn't have the stamps for it and I didn't really feel like doing something different, so I just kept on keeping on. So here we are with this brand new review journal, and you can see it has headphones for my audiobooks, it has an e-reader for the books that I read on my e-reader, and then it also has a book for physical books. I mean, this stamp set has so many different options and it's very, very exciting. So I'm putting together the word date and the word finished so that I can just stamp it one time. It's not perfect. It is somewhat flawed. I just don't even know what to say about that. You'll see it here in a second. And I'm okay with that. It really doesn't bother me. And I actually think that I'm probably going to start doing it differently. I think I'm probably just going to put started and finished. Also, as a side note, for some reason, my camera just kept shutting off when I was filming this, and so we're going to be jumping all over the place in a few different books, I guess, is really what I should say. And I totally get that if that's annoying. You should just stop watching because it does this the whole thing. But it was either that or not share with you. And I really wanted to share with you. So I decided that I was just going to go for it anyway. So then I'm still adding my ratings, my star ratings, and then my basic highlight slash thoughts about the book. And when I say highlights, I don't mean like the high points, like the traditional actual meaning of the word. I mean like the things that stand out, the things that I want to write about the book. That's why I say my thoughts because I'm not giving a review. I do give reviews on my Goodreads, but here I just want to highlight a couple of things about the book and that's it. Otherwise, I can't keep up with a book like this. I have tried in the past to write more and I'm just not able. So I'm adding the review, like the star rating, a couple of thoughts, and boom, that's it. And I love it. You saw, hopefully, watched my flip through from my first book journal, and I am even more committed to this project now going forward because I love that one so much. So as you can see, there are 4 spots on each page, and and it's double-sided, so you can use both sides of the page. I do not use both sides of the page. I don't want to. I don't like it. I don't enjoy writing on the left-hand side. And because I'm an adult and I don't have to, I decided that I wasn't going to. And but if you don't mind it and you like writing on the left-hand side of the page, you absolutely should. There's nothing wrong with it. The binding is lay flat. You can write on it. It works wonderfully. I just don't prefer it and I don't have to. So, and I don't mean that like, oh, you're not making me. I just mean, you know how sometimes we don't need permission. Yeah, this is one of those scenarios. I don't need permission to not write on the left-hand side, so I'm not going to do that. I have on my Instagram, I have a reel pinned in my profile that says shows exactly how I print all of these photos. I do use the Pick Frame app to create a collage of the covers that I screenshot from Goodreads. I save them and then I print them on my Epson PictureMate printer. It's actually a very easy process. It doesn't sound like it, but once you're used to doing it, it only takes a couple of minutes. It's not difficult at all, but I understand that if you haven't done it before, there is a learning curve involved, right? I'm using the Sharpie pens to write all of the things, and this is not a permanent marker, it's not a gel pen, it is a felt tip pen. And then I use the Papermate flares to color in the stars. The colors don't mean anything, I just do it in a rainbow order because that makes me happy. And overall, I love this new format because maybe books aren't what you want to document, but maybe there's something else that you want to document, and this will help you do that. I absolutely love it, and I hope that you will too if you decide to give it a go. As I said down below, I have the links to everything, including this review journal, and I would love it if you would use my affiliate links. So thank you so much for checking out the brand new book journal, and I will have more reviews to share with you in the future. Thank you so much for stopping by, and make it a great day.